So I just say you shout Muhammad Dehlavi rahmatullah alayhi, give one treatment when our angriness. We are very angry, our different kind of depression coming. We can't control ourselves. So we become angry. So how can we control? Shah Muhammad Dehlavi rahmatullah alayhi mentioned it. That time you type make zikr, la ilaha illallah. But how? Start from your belly button. Okay? Start from your la. You start from your la. Come here. And then you're going to say ilaha, come there, right side, and illallah, make facial here. This is one system. You can do it 21 times, one breath. Hold your breath. Another one is make la is like knife, knife. So when you're going to stop, you hold your breath. You are not moving. Your breathing system is going to hold. So that time shaitan cannot move anywhere. While sitting shaitan, Allah said al-khannas alladhi yuwaswisu fi sudurin nas. Shaitan sitting in our heart, top of the heart, upper level of heart. So say that time you cannot move. So what you should do? You make la. La is like knife. You're going to do la, cut it like that. Stop it without sound. Like I just going to la ilaha. Put up how much you can, and that will make this hamar. Hamar, hatuli, hamar. Make it hamar. Illallah, then illallah. Put it here. See, I'm going to show you again. Gently. Other people also don't know, but you have to practice this. You can do it one breath, 5 times, 7 times. You see, that time it will finish your angriness. It will finish your angriness, inshallah.